How you doing, people? Hope you're well. Okay, I've given myself a tough session today. It's what I call my 1 minute mashup, but I've got to do 3 rounds. The standard tough session is 2 rounds. 3 rounds is absolutely brutal. 1 minute's lunge jumps, 1 minute's rest. 1 minute squat jumps, 1 minute's rest. 1 minute's press ups, push ups, 1 minute's rest. 1 minute's heels to backside burpees, 1 minute's rest. 1 minute's knee to elbow sit ups, 1 minute's rest. 1 minute star jumps. I then get another minute's rest for the end of round 1, and I've got to do that 3 times. It takes about 35 minutes. Massive gains from this. Really tough session. Okay, let's do it.
Okay, so yeah, this is a brutal session indeed. I've done it a couple of times in recent weeks and it just doesn't get any easier. It's just a grind every time you do it. But as is the case with a lot of fitness activities, you get the benefits of them afterwards. This type of workout is not just cardiovascular fitness, although it is massively cardiovascular fitness as well, but you also get a lot of strength benefits. And I think people sometimes tend to think of strength as, you go in the gym and you're doing bench press or deadlifts or squats, bicep curls, whatever. But there is this body strength type fitness, a little bit incorporated into functional fitness where your body is moving in different ways. But there is a strength required in order to perform these exercises and these movements with good form, good numbers. It's more like a strength endurance really. But it's a lot more than just going for a jog. When you're doing plyometrics and lunge jumps, there's a real strength element for your legs in that type of movement. Yes, it is in the context of fitness or cardiovascular fitness, but there is a big strength endurance factor involved in those movements. Similarly with the burpees, with jumping burpees, you need dynamic power to do those sorts of jumps. Even squat jumps you need strength for. They really are a lot more body conditioning than, if you just went for a jog. It's the type of workout where you're getting strong and fit, not just fit. I did actually do a follow-along version of this. I'll just present the edited version of this really, but I'll put the link here to the follow-along workout, the full workout that's on my other channel, $1 Billion Syndrome. It might be a good idea, you can try the 3 rounds if you want. It might be an idea just to get a feel for it to do 1 round to start with, because a minute on, a minute off with these sorts of exercises is tough. Then go for 2 rounds maybe, and 3 rounds, like I say, is brutal. It doesn't matter what age you are, what your level of fitness is. If you attempted 3 rounds of this workout, you're going to feel it even if you're 21 years old. So like I say, I'm just showing you little edited clips through here, but the follow-along's on my other channel. If you feel you're at a stage where you want to try and get fit, lose weight, build strength, build some muscle, my 28-day workout plans have been working tremendously well for lots of people. Similar style workouts to these, and it's progressed over 28 days. There's a timeline 1, timeline 2 and timeline 3. Timeline 1 and 2 don't require any equipment. Timeline 3 has pull-ups and dips involved. So if you've got any questions about anything, reach out to me at billiondollarsyndrome@gmail.com. There's also a link in the description to my free PDF that you can download. The link should just allow you to download it straight away. It's full of fitness tips, hacks, body maintenance tips, best training methods. I think I went a bit over the top. There's about 28 pages worth of stuff based on my experience of training, 40 years of training, and I do like to combine it with the latest research as well. That's a great PDF to download. Like I say, it's free. Okay, well, yeah, the workout's definitely worth a try. Have it in your back pocket. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.